Good morning, guys. So I'm headed to the antique mall to drop off some furniture. I know a lot of you are probably like, dang, does she even sell at the antique mall anymore? She doesn't talk about it. But yes, I do. I still sell here. So what I'm about to do is get the furniture all taken out of the car and get it set up in the booth, and then I'm going to give you guys a tour. So we're at the back door and we're just gonna lift it up so I can get a card. Alright guys, so here is my booth. A lot of you guys have never seen it since I put up the floral wallpaper in the back. I wish I would have done a video on how I did that, but I did not, unfortunately. This summer I had a ton of interior decorating clients, so I wasn't at the antique mall as much. This black dresser I thought sold to a customer, so what I was doing was going there rearranging things. That way I would have space for new inventory. Okay, so this is the part you guys never get to see, where everything is just thrown around and disheveled. And yeah, this grass I really want to get rid of, and I really want to find a nice like oriental rug or something to go here. The grass, I'm kind of over it. And everybody, I just got a message as I'm recording this about this Japanese pot. I really need to get the dimensions. I feel like that's the only reason why it hasn't sold yet. But anyway, let me finish working. Okay guys, so I was here a lot longer than I wanted to be. I got everything set up. The only thing I really need to do now is throw away the trash and put that chicken in the Airbnb. And then hopefully somebody will buy this vintage window table. I put $40 on it. I cleared it off. Like, hopefully somebody wants to make it theirs, because put 40, that looks like 40, right? Okay. So yeah, eventually what I'm gonna do is space these clothes out. I hope this china cabinet sells. So fast forward a couple days after this video, guys, and the china cabinet actually sold for $225. So I was super happy about that. Talk about the power of manifestation. I need to put a price tag on this little table over here. I forgot about that. But I'm trying to get back to just doing mostly furniture, because that's how my checks used to be so big. So that's what my space looks like, guys. Let me know if y'all want like a detailed tour once I get everything back nice and neat. I put $600 on this set, which I think is a little bit ambitious, but I'm just gonna pray about it, do some magic spells, light some sage, listen to some money frequencies, etc., because I feel like the right person would pay that for it. What I really hope to get is about 500, even like 450 I would be fine with. I know it seems really cheap, but I also listed it on Etsy for $1,700 with free shipping, so let's pray that that comes through. But I'm okay with like a $500 profit, like, honestly. So anyway, I hope to get more, honestly, guys, one day for my furniture with the flowers on it, because it is very time consuming, it is very unique, and this is real good furniture, like, honestly. But we'll see. Weekends coming, I feel like that's when it's gonna sell, so y'all cross your fingers for me. I want to kind of take these down too, because I feel like they make the space look a little cheapy. So maybe I should remove them. That's the other thing too. I want to start doing things that are more vintage like and get away from like the new stuff, even though those little signs typically sound so good for me. I'm most proud of this, guys. I actually made that myself with like vintage plates and some stuff from that I had laying around the house, so I really love that. Anyway, trying to make it look less new, trying to make it look a little like older now and less junky, so we'll see how this goes. So guys, this is all of the stuff that I have to take home. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more videos about my booth at the antique mall, just let me know and I'll record more often when I go there. But thanks for watching. Bye.